Welcome back, my dear student, on my YouTube channel. I am GD Sir from LPM Public School, and today I am going to explain the chapter Getting Future Ready. It is the third part of the chapter, and first and second part I also explain it. So, if you have not seen the first and second part of the chapter, then you can go in my YouTube channel and press the channel icon, and then you have seen the first and second part of this chapter. And today I am going to third explain the third part of the chapter, and it is this. In this video I will say or explain about the astronaut and the tourist, space tourist. First, before starting the video, I will explain or give a short summary of the chapter. First, we talking about the astronaut. An astronaut is a person trained, equipped, and deployed by human space flight program to serve as commander or crew members aboard a spacecraft. Okay, and although a general reserved for the professional space travelers, the term or the sometimes apply uh, anyone who traveled into space, including the scientist, politician, journalist, and tourist. Okay, and here you know about more thing of the space and the tourist with a ticket, and more thing about the astronaut. So let's start the video and know more thing about the tourist and astronaut. So let's start. Are you an avid are you an avid reader of space fiction? Have you ever evident astronaut or a wished to travel in space? Your space dream and intergalactic fantasies may soon come true. Okay, so here is many of the person have a wish to go to the space and see the space, and her or his dream is to look live scene of the space. And you read more thing about the space fiction, and also your wish is to make a astronaut, your wishes is to travel space, etc are the many dreams you have. So let's more thing about know more thing about the space and tourist. Human have always been fascinated by outer space, you know very well. It is the a human is a curious person, and he wanted to more thing about the space and other places wherever he never go. Okay, and human is also always think about the outer space. He always wanted to go outer space and know more thing about the space, and travel into space has been limited to astronauts and private space travel for the pleasure for unheard of a until now. Okay, but nowadays many astronaut a person who go in a space by taking the training to survive in a space. Okay, and with the astronaut and some of the private space agencies who travel for pleasure, and they also went into the space to enjoy with her friend, and uh, to show up uh, in public. So in December 1990, okay, 1990, Japanese TV journalist Toyo, Toyohiro Akiyama, okay, Toyohiro Akiyama went into space as a part of the first commercial space flight. Okay, when start the tourist game, it is the December 1990. Okay, here is the a journalist. His name is Tayohiro Akiyama, and he is a Japanese TV journalist. Okay, went into the space as a part of the first commercial space flight. Okay, he is the first parts of the commercial space flight, and he gave the live report when he reached in the space. Then he displayed the live report for a week from the Mir station. It is the space station in the space, and its name is Mir Space Station. However, the first amateur to pay for a flight into a space was Danish Tito. Here is the one famous person. His name is Danish Tito, and he was a U.S. engineer and a businessman who paid the first fees of the tourism as a flight into the space. And you can see also the figure of the Tito. I look here. Here is the Tito, Danish Tito. He is a businessman and uh, a businessman and a engineer. Okay, so he is a first person who pay the fees of to go in a space as a tourist, and he became the first space tourist of citizen explorer by the visiting the international space station. It means ISS. In short, you can say ISS. ISS means international space station for 7 days in 2001. Okay, here is Danish T2. Danish T2 is the first person who went into the space in 2001 and pay the fees to take the journey of space and become the first citizen explorer. Okay, and visiting the international space station. Where he visiting international space station. And Dennis Anthony Tito, he he born Dennis Tito is an American engineer and businessman, most widely known as the first space tourist to fund his own trip into space. In mid 2001, he spent nearly 8 days in orbit as a crew member of ISS. Okay, a visiting mission to the International Space Station. This mission was launched by the spacecraft Soyuz TM-32 and was landed by Soyuz TM-31. And between 2001 and 2009, six more people brought a passage to space, and one of them, Charles Simeoni. Okay, Simeoni even went twice. Okay, here is the person who after the Danish T2, uh, after Dennis Tito, he went. It means Charles Simeoni went into the space as a two-time, and between 2003 and 2004, two individuals breached the Earth's atmosphere and entered outer space in a experimental spacecraft. Several space tourist companies have been formed since then, and with an aim to facilitate private space exploration for a hefty fee. Okay, and after that, it is the step by step uh, begin to go out of the space, and many of the company make it as a business, and they make a environment of the space and atmosphere of the space. And they also show the experimental spacecraft. Okay, and several space tourist companies also formed such type of the experimental spacecraft, and then uh, give the facility of the space, how to live in a out in the space, and how can survive in the space, and this facility given by the private companies, and they also take the hefty fees. It means take many more fee or much fee to the visitor into the space. Okay, and civilian space programs offering zero gravity space flight and short duration spacewalks are already being offered. Okay, and after the taking hefty fees, what they provide as a civilian of space programmers as a zero gravity space flight and short duration spacewalk are already being offered. Okay, and perhaps by the time you grow up, space plans may become as common as buses, and a trip to Mars may be become quite affordable. You may even be able to fly to the moon and back for a holiday. It means in a future when the time pass and your next generation become grow up, then it is the a common things to go a trip for the space. And as a nowadays the bus trip and a plane trip is a common for everyone, and such like that the that time the Mars trip, moon trip and space trip is a common for everyone in a future, not a nowadays. Okay, and nowadays the space tourist or a Mars tourist it is the very precious and hefty for the tourist. So you can't think about this. You have think in a future, no, after a 50 or 30 or 40 years ago, the time